Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay. This is S. Alexander, and I am the barbering instructor at Continental School of Beauty. Hey, my name is Victoria Smith, also known as Mrs. V, and I've been working at Continental for 2 years.
I'm Miss Erin, and I've been working at Continental for 11 years.
I'm Lisa Bordenaro, and I've been with Continental for 20 years.
My name is Nellie, and I've been an educator at Continental for about 5 years now in Syracuse.
What inspired me to be a teacher is really just being there for somebody that maybe doesn't feel like they have support and love.
I get to be a part of every single one of their journeys. I believe that they're going to do great things, and I love to hear that Mrs. V was a part of my journey.
To bring it to more students every day just fulfills me and rewards me to know that they can reach their goals and their dreams.
I wanted to give back hope, guidance, mentorship. I wanted to give back what was given to me.
Is really just seeing people fulfill and accomplish something that maybe they didn't think was that attainable, and then they just get that gratitude and that sense of accomplishment.
I'm teaching them to not only have the skills to be in the beauty professional, but the right attitude.
So what students can expect from a teacher is a continuous mentor. It just doesn't end with school. I have so many students who reach out to me to this day when they need help.
I'm able to give that sound advice to my students and let them know, like, every road, as long as you're motivated, is going to end in a win. So I love being a part of their lives, to not only be able to teach them techniques, but to help them throughout the life, because I lived it once as a student.
We always prep them to be able to not only pass their state board exams, but to also give them the skills they needed to be successful in a salon.
One of my favorite moments will always be the day they graduate, following through that journey and being there for them and having them realize what they can do and what they can succeed in. When I think of Continental, we think of family. We are here for each other and support each other, together for one goal, and that's to look up to all of our students every day.